This ash tree is the centerpiece of our little yard. And as you can see, it's starting to show some of the results of the, I believe to be the ash borer. Its top branches had to be taken off this year. I don't believe there's much life left in her, but we're gonna keep it for as long as we can. For 3 years that I've known her, she's been the centerpiece for the birds in the wintertime. They come here to feed. It's the station where they all come to meet and get their food in the morning. And in the spring, when I put out the jelly feeders, orioles will land on these branches and sing. I've watched her be the home for many bird families since I've been here. Who can say how many countless numbers of birds raise their young here? Called this home. She withstood some pretty fierce storms. She looks different now. Obviously shorter, quieter, less foliage, less full. But I don't really look at her like a diseased tree. I look at her as something that lived a full life and is still holding on. Which brings me to this. I planted this apple tree yesterday. It's young, it's fragile, small, full of promise. Planting a tree at 68 is a little bit different if I think about it, because it starts to make me think about my mortality. It's a promise of tomorrow. Will I see the fruit of my labor here? I don't know. None of us do. I think planting a tree at 68 shows optimism that I plan on enjoying the fruit from this tree and enjoy watching it grow and seeing what families it raises, how many visitors it has. Standing between this old ash tree and my new sapling there, I can't help but think about my own life, my own mortality, in some ways represented by this old tree. Towards the last quarter of our lives, showing a little bit of wear, or a lot of wear, and starting to slow down. Doesn't mean we're not useful, and it doesn't mean we don't have something still yet to give. I don't want to give up on her, and I would hope that people don't give up on us as we age. We still have something to offer. We still have something to give. And I hope to be around for a while to watch this guy grow up and start giving. Some might say that I came to this game a little late, coming into gardening at 65 years old. But is it ever too late to start something new? Try something new? The point of this video is to point out that we're never too old to continue on, to keep pushing on, try new things. I think you got to go through life looking forward to something and always learning. It gives you a reason to get up in the morning, to be enthused about the day. Planting a tree is an act of optimism, a hope for the future, a plan for the future, that you're going to be here for it, you're going to enjoy it. Maybe getting older isn't entirely about yesterday and the past. Maybe getting older is also looking forward to the future and the things that have yet to be accomplished. The old ash tree has already done a lot of beauty for this yard throughout the years, provided a lot of shelter and shade. The young sapling, the young apple tree is just getting started with his journey to do the same. You know, as long as there's another season ahead, there's a reason to plant. And that's why I planted that apple tree. Not just for me, but for future generations to see. In that little way, I kind of live on through that tree. Corny as it is, it's kind of cool. The new tree, the apple, I have hope to watch her grow and to blossom in the spring and to see fruit form on her finally. To eat the first apple of that tree. That's what I'm looking forward to. And there's no reason not to look forward to tomorrow. And then another season, another winter, and another spring with more fruit. One tree towards the end of its life, another one just starting. Feet from each other. Standing next to this old ash tree, I can't help but reflect on my own life. This old ash tree has raised many families and her branches. I raised a family. I'm nearing the end of my life, and so is this old ash tree. And the new sapling, just like my grandchildren, are taking on the task of just starting theirs. I had the idea to do this video when my wife and I were buying this tree, and the thought went through my head, why would I bother to plant a tree at 68 years old? But I think that's the wrong attitude. And so I started looking up some things about this subject. So there's a famous Greek proverb that kind of touches on this subject, and it goes like this: a society grows great when old men plant trees whose shade they know they shall never sit in. So I think that's pretty cool. That's what I'm doing. I'm planting a tree just in the promise of hope, knowing that I'm probably not gonna enjoy most of its life, but I plan on enjoying a lot of it. So this old ash tree and I have a lot in common. We're both getting old. We're both slightly damaged. And we don't look nearly as good as we did when we were young. But we're still here. We're still plugging away. So should I have planted a tree at 68? Was I stupid? I don't think so. I'm gonna be here for quite some time yet. I'm gonna eat the fruit from that tree. And so are my grandkids. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Hey, I hope you like this video. If you like it, look at this one here. Subscribe. I hope you come back. My name's Dennis. Take care.